Hi, ladies and gents. Honestly, 5 times a day, I see somebody in, thank you, in those cars with those blue lights. Somebody important is going from place to place, from tiramisu to pizza pasta. I'm joking. Hello, everybody. We are still in Rome, 30th of November. It's around 5 p.m. now. I think I'm losing track of time. I just finished my video right there in this building. That's my friend right there after one of his drinking sessions. Who am I? Where am I? What planet am I on? Something like that. There is another statue like that on the other side of this gorgeous building. The sky is beautiful and pink on the other side. I was hoping to show you another siren. I'm still waiting for that very specific siren I heard here. It was extraordinary, not this one. This one sounded normal. I need to find out what's going on with these birds, guys. The birds are going crazy. I was just being entertained by them. I wish I could show you properly. I'm actually gonna go closer and show you. I don't know what they eat now in November. There are no mosquitoes, I assume no nothing. But they are going crazy, thousands of them. Anyway, let me show you the building here while we are at it. Oh my god. Look at these guys running. Oh my god, he got almost killed by whatever car. So who is coming? Who scared them so much? Literally 3 of them started to run away. Oh my gosh. Who did they spot? Because I can't see anybody. Anyway, I'm trying to see. They saw something that I can't see. It wasn't me, obviously, because they were walking okay around me. Yeah, I don't know. Oh, let's go closer. You have to hear these birds. They're going bananas, as I said. The most entertaining thing of the day. I wish I could show you better. Let me see. There are thousands of them. They look like mosquitoes. You see that, guys? Can you see that finally? Oh my god, they're flying above me. Listen, they must be eating something from the trees. I thought they were feeding babies in there, like catching something in the air and giving it to the babies, but I think it's the other way around. I need to find out. I'm literally determined to find out. Look guys, it's going bananas. You see number 77 for lottery winning. I'm waiting for my sign to win a lottery. Guys, this is insane, insane. How to show you? Let me try and go closer without getting my beautiful white sweater turning into caca color, if you know what I mean. Because my friend is full of caca color from these trees, specifically from yesterday. He got attacked yesterday. Oh my god. It literally sounds like water around here. But it's not. I need to find out what the hell is going on here. I just literally I can't move. I can't go and see any monuments here. But anyway, we are outside of this thing. It's like jungle. They come and go, come and go. What is going on? Oh my god, guys, they're dropping something. Oh shit, what is that? What are they dropping? Look. What is it, a branch?
No, not oil. Shit. My friend was walking there yesterday. He has so many marks on him. But it looked like a stone. Oh shit. Oh shit, it landed on her nose. Poor girl. She's cleaning her nosy. No worries. Oh my god. So yeah, I was gonna walk around there as well, but those guys did me a favor. Now they are cleaning up. Honestly, I am gonna Google this. What's going on here? I'm telling you. What do they eat? Is it something in the trees or is it something in the air and they just come and drop it to some babies? It looks like they eat something from the trees, but why now? Why at night? What is in there at this time of the day? Look at that.
Oh my gosh. So yeah, these are the caca trees in Rome. Sorry guys, I literally could not, I'm okay, thank you. I could not walk away. I'm too entertained by them. Taking pictures and let's walk away. Now we are approaching the IKEA tree. As I mentioned in my previous video, they've got branches they insert into the core of the tree and they are building it up. Maybe with super glue. They are making IKEA Christmas tree here in Rome. I can't imagine what happens if some strong if strong wind blows. Oh my god, I can't speak. If those branches are gonna survive that, you know. Okay, taking picture, let's go. I can't really go closer because there is no pavement and way too many cars right now, but we came closer yesterday and we could see those branches on the floor. I'll try to zoom in for you. I was hoping the tree would be lit up today, but it looks like it's gonna take a few days. By the time they put the branches in, by the time they put the Christmas decorations in. Oh my god, I can't get over those birds. I can't. So many of them. Oh my god. It's like we are being attacked, guys. It's unbelievable to be here. Unbelievable. There's so many of them. What? Oh, I better don't look up. They're literally above me. So many of them just from one tree. What's going on, guys? I can't get over it. I'm sorry. They're taking over this video completely. I've never seen anything like that. I did see on a smaller scale, but this is another level. A few small trees in Rome and millions of bloody birds coming out of there. Now they are making round, soon they are gonna come back. I might literally just cut off this video after like 2 minutes from now because I spent too much time observing the birds and nobody, no normal human being would watch any further. So whatever will come, whatever fountain or whatever interesting, you know, it's likely people are gonna lose interest after I focus so much on the birds. So I might just start with this view and act like nothing happened and just post this as a 20 minutes video. So where are the birdies now? And I might call this video observing crazy birds in Rome. You see now they're flying back in. I'm absolutely fascinated by that, as you can see. Oh my goodness. What an adventure. Who knew this is gonna be my biggest entertainment, and it's for free. Oh my gosh. Sorry. But yeah, ladies and gents, sorry about that. I got sidetracked. Thank you so much for watching. I'm gonna start acting normal, hopefully. I'm gonna cut it off here and I'm gonna start another video, you know, from here, walk around some other places. Thank you so much for watching and I'll see you later. Take care, bye.